So hello friend, welcome back to channel. Today we will discuss about the command called id. Okay, so what's the use of id? So let me become a normal user. If I run id without an option, so it will take current username. Okay, so I am logged in with the vacant user, so it's showing my details. If I want to check for other user, I have to give other username. So if user is present, it will give the UID, GID and group. If user is not present, like okay, it will say no user. So if you want to check user is present or not, then you can use id command and the username like test. Okay, it's a present there. We are having UID of 1004, GID is 1003 and group is also 103. So and if I want only UID of this user, so then I can use -u. Okay, if I want to get the primary group ID or GUID, okay, and if I want secondary group, I will get like this. So why we are using this? First, user is present or not. You no need to go inside the file because normal user will not able to read the files and all. So password file you don't need to touch. Just run the id command. You will come to know that user is present or not. Second thing, in a script, if you want, like I want a user ID which is like I want a user which is having UID of this. So you search for a user which is having UID and you can consume this UID in a script. Okay. Now let me switch to a root user. Okay, let me clear my screen using Control L. Now ID, it will give for root, ID hyphen U root 0, UID is 0 for root, and for test is 1004, for Amit 1003, 1000, and I will give some Linux which is you not present, no user found. Okay, you can remove this option, then also you'll get the same thing. So id is a command which help to identify user is present on this system or not, someone has created this user or not. Okay, it will not throw any error, like I will show you tail slash etc pass wd. Okay, so we'll search for the id of ssd. This is a service. Okay, you're able to see for service also we are getting id, like for any user you can see k is also there, L is also there, P is also there, Q is not there, so it will give an error, no such file and no such user. So this how it will help you to identify user is present or not on the system, and it is a quite easier way. Time is not getting consumed because if you do grep slash etc password and that username you search in entire file, that's a time consuming thing. Okay, now we will see, can we check multiple user? Okay, K L P, no, because only one user detail you will be able to find. Okay, that's the use. You can use id hyphen u for UID. For group you can use G. For secondary group you can use capital G. This how you can use in your environment. Consume it like whatever suits in your to your environment, consume in that manner, but learn about this thing. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing. Goodbye.